It's been such a good day. And it really changed my life.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yeah, you guys might have realized, start off my morning. Well, not my morning, my evening. It's like 3 o'clock, or my afternoon. Reading the Daily Bread. That was a gift from my mother-in-law, Judah's mom. For me, you know, it's a good way to start your day off because it always has some like really important message to really share. You feel me? And you know, many people always, well, couple comments that I got so far. People say, "Oh, yo, you're brave for down in Mexico," and you know, it's a walk around like it's your home, but probably that's what I'm here for, you know what I'm saying? Like every country at some point you need some form of ambassador, you know what I'm saying? Meaning like people look at Jamaica and they have like, you know, many different things to say. They only know about Bob Marley, marijuana, whatever the case is, and they probably have never really met a Jamaican before, or you have probably never even met a Mexican before. So maybe that's my goal here, to actually show like, you know, both cultures are pretty similar. So far many people watch the videos and they go, "Oh yo, it does look like Calico America and Jamaica." Now you guys see what's up with that. Let me give a quick shout out to Vicky. Vicky, thank you so much for, you know, being a Patreon. Let me give you a quick shout out for that. Vicky's one of my subscribers who she watches the videos kind of late, but she always leaves a comment. And you know, people like that who give me the support, like always respect that. But anyway guys, objective for today, head to the gym. Yeah, it's one thing. Like I'm trying to start working out more often now. I have a bit more time on my hands, so head to the gym. Try, I think it's called tamales. Get some food as well, and maybe talk to one of my Mexican friends, someone I met here yesterday, and see how that goes. All right, guys. Chrissy, let me give you a quick shout out, girl. Go check out our Instagram page, Chrissy Coils. Really in the road like white fine line. No, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm really in the road. I'm really in the streets. Oh, God. Should I do this over? No, I'm not. Really in the streets like white fine line. Screw it. Finalmente. Gracias. So that's pretty much how they keep records of who you are and how many days you came here. So that was my third and final day. And tomorrow I'll just pay for a single day. And yeah, let's get the workout in. Alright boys and girls, just left the gym. But now I go like, since we're in Mexico, I say one girl are looking at the gym. But turn my head so, cause guess what, the chocolate are already branded, you see me? But anyway, I'm trying to head to my normal stop to get some food. Hopefully they're there. It's about 5 o'clock now. I don't know if they're there, so hopefully I can get something to eat. Yes, blessed be. They're still open. Yeah, this might be the last time or the second to last time I'm gonna be eating from her. It's gonna be a time for a change, you know, to find somewhere else that, you know, just some food. My friend is over there too. His name is Oscar. I will hit him up maybe in the video after this. All right. Hola. Hola. You are still open, yeah? Still open? I can eat?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Mole?
I heard about mole before. Mole is like a chocolate, right? It's kind of sweet, chocolate. See? Oh, guys, I feel like I'm living the dream. Oh, thank you.
It's hot.
Okay. Super hot, thank you.
It's a tortilla with chicken and mole and onion.
I will have that. Cheese and
Yeah.
chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, see, please.
Okay. Beans and 3 enchiladas.
So rice, beans, 3 enchiladas, and mole. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, thank
Okay.
you. All right, so just took my seat. I'm a bit exhausted, but in a good way. You know, you go to the gym, you're a bit tired and whatever, but you still feel energized. Yeah, that's me right now. So I'm getting a mole. I don't know a lot about mole, but I did watch a few videos on it by chance, and it's pretty much chicken with chocolate. It's like a chocolate sauce over it, and it's infused with so many things. Actually, mole didn't originate from Cancún. Mole is from somewhere else. I will ask her to see exactly where mole is from. ¿De qué parte de Mexico vino mole?
Oaxaca.
Oaxaca. Ah, that's the name I was looking for. It's from Oaxaca. Oaxaca is where mole is from. I think I watched a video about that, and it was pretty interesting when I watched that video. So I'm gonna try it for the very first time. And as I said, guys, when you're in a foreign country, just eat, man. Unless you have allergies to something, then just try different foods. Because when you try something different, who knows? Maybe you like it. Maybe you go back home, you want to try it. But who would have thought? Chocolate and chicken. It's interesting.
Siguiendo. No sé cómo se dice siguiendo.
He searched for YouTube, your son?
Yeah, for you.
Oh, for me?
Sí.
Awesome. That's awesome. So I was just telling her like you guys were saying like I walk in Mexico as if I live here. I kind of do right now for the next couple of days or next couple of weeks, you know. Yeah. You know, for me, I think every second that I'm here, every second that I interact with people, I you know, ambassador for Jamaica, you feel me? People need to know like there are good Jamaicans there, and you know, maybe in future they come to our country, who knows? But anyway, let's get into this mole. So here we have some red rice, this beans, and this is the mole. On top of it there's some cream, and then there's also some cheese as well with the mole. So I'm gonna try that and I'll tell you guys what exactly I think about it. You know, I try to be very honest about the food that I eat. Oh, and inside the mole there's actually a tortilla. Yeah. So the tortilla wraps the chicken, and then the mole is poured over it. The mole is like a sauce. They put it over the chicken. Yeah. It's not cooked inside the chocolate. They pour it on top. All right, let's see. Okay, the rice and beans is normal. I love that. For me, it's almost like eating rice and peas. To contextualize it for Jamaicans, it tastes like stew peas. Like when you stew peas and rice, that's exactly the taste that you would get, except the peas are mashed. And that is good. Now, time to try the mole. This is a moment of truth. It's so cool when you watch the videos and then you get to try for yourself. Mole. Let's see. That is very original. It's a very pleasant taste. First when you bite into it, you start going, oh, am I eating dessert or am I eating, you know, like a meal? But then after you start getting used to it, it's like, yo, this is great. And then again, they know exactly how to play with textures because the tortilla was seared on the pan first, so it is crispy on the inside. And then that cheese, bro, But it's just such a good combination. Like you couldn't eat this as a dessert by itself because the chicken is like, it should be like dinner. Wow. They have been really playing with my taste buds here. Hey, I like mole. Very good. Bueno, cocinera.
Thank you.
De nada. Wow. And then there's onions in it too. I like onions. It has this nice little crisp as well, but the onions that's playing with it. Oh my gosh. If I'm to be honest, when I heard mole, I was like, do I want to try mole now for food? Not to eat? It is good. It is so good. Oh my gosh. Muy rico. Bro, I'm blown away. I think they also say it's the national dish of Mexico. Mole nationale dish?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a national dish of Mexico, and I think Jamaicans might like this dish for the plain reason that mole has like pineapples in there, and it also has plantains as well. So there's like this great mix of sweet, the bitter sweetness of the chocolate, the sweetness of the pineapples and the plantains, and then that just neutralizes and plays around with the spiciness of the peppers that are in there. It's, bro, let me tell you, man, in terms of street food, I think this place is very diverse with just the different foods you can, you know, go out and eat on the street. It's very good. It's very good. Oh, yeah. Now I think I definitely know why they have the term hole mole. It's from this dish, yo. Yeah, if you're saying that I'm a bit corny, I'm in Mexico and I've been eating a lot of tortillas and a lot of corn. There I go again, another corny joke, but whatever. It's, oh my god. It's been such a good dish, and it really changed my life. It's such a good dish. I would recommend this dish to anyone. Well, once you come to Mexico, try like the main dishes, and this is one of them. I mean, it's a national dish. I completed everything in my plate. It was so interesting. It's like you're eating a dessert, but you're eating dinner at the same time. So like everything was just coming together like so well, and I'm just so happy that I've been coming here. And the funny part is, I'm sure that there are going to be like other places, other cooks who are even better than this one here. So you can imagine if you go somewhere else and it's better than this. Sorry. I know I shouldn't have been crying about that. But anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.